Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips, and welcome back to This is not Monster Train 2, this is Slay the Spire 2. We have one final new character to try out. Well, new character maybe isn't the right word to use. Returning character is the one I would use. Oh, is this random character? Cool. Anyway, we got the Defect. An automaton eternally modifying itself to survive. Deploys orb technology when it must fight. I like that line because it kind of implies that he's a pacifist, which I don't know if that's the case, but which is probably gonna end up not being the case. But yeah, Defect, he's back. We thought he wasn't gonna be back at first, but now he is. I am very happy to see Defect back because he was my personal favorite character from the first game, and from what I've heard, a lot of other people's personal favorite. So yeah, let's do this. Defectoid. I bet if I don't see the card Claw, then I'm gonna be picked. Construct. What have you become? You're fucking thick now. What? That shit ain't... That shit's insane. So we got the classic cards in Zap and Dual Struck. Yep, we sure do. Wait a second. Are we in a different Act 1? We're in a different Act 1! Yo, sick! I think we're in a different one. I think that's so cool. How good is Cursed Pearl? We got a shop right here. It's kind of a... You have to spend the money on a removal, but honestly, I'm down. Unplayable Eternal. Wait, what's Eternal? Oh. Well, I guess we got... oh, well. Well, I guess we got a greed in our deck permanently. Oh, well. Let's do it. See, yeah, we have an alternate Act 1. We got these toad pulls. Oh my god, Defect is so buff. So I suppose this is like Defect after... Now, I will say, and honestly, what I'm about to say is not... I don't like this design as much as him in the first game. Although, to be honest, that's less of a complaint of this game, or I have with this game, and more just like, I think his design in the original is legitimately amazing. Legitimately an incredible character design. This is pretty good too, though. I like the idea of this thematically, where it's like Defect adding to himself. Ball Lightning. Boost away, adding Daze to your discard pile. Momentum Strike. Deal 10 damage, reduce this card's cost to 0. Whoa. That could be kind of nice for... That's kind of cool. I like that. The class... So, something I'm hoping we see here is I like Defect a lot. However, there are some things I could point at with him in the original that I kind of wish they did slightly differently. One, I wish he had more ways of playing with zero cost cards, because that was like a cool mechanic, but it was really only Claw that was like the big, like his zero cost play. So I would like to see some more like emphasis on his, like, him playing zero cost cards. And also I want to see more emphasis on Lightning, because he weirdly felt like bad. He weirdly felt like a lot worse at making Lightning than he did Frost. So I want to take Lightning, and I want to do Lightning stuff. He's so fucking chunky. Haha. Bulk up. Interesting. Tempest no longer exhaust. That's what I'm talking about. We also got the classic Cool-Headed and the classic Sunder. What is this? You may choose any number of options at a wretch site. Wait, what? Whoa. That sounds cool. That sounds really cool. Also, I want to take Tempest because I want Lightning. Now I want stuff that gives me more energy. Wait, what's this card I could pick up? Oh, I could pick up a free Sunder? Sure. I'll pick up a free Sunder. Yeah, Tempest not exhausting is, I think, definitely correct. I like that a lot. Also, you're new. The Sludge Spinner. Yo, why bro so sludgy? Ooh, this music's kind of interesting, too. I like this music in the... Yeah, this is the first time in this game where I feel like the music has really caught my eye. Or ear, I guess. This feels very adventure-y, this music is. Shadow Shield. That art is really cute. Get 11 block, channel 1 dark. Gunka. Deal 4 damage 3 times, add Slimed to your discard pile. Interesting. And we have a cool head, and a cool head, and a cool head. I mean, more orbs is just good. Oh, hello there. Got the sea punk. I see ya, punk. I see ya, punk. Am I actually strong? I don't know if I actually am strong. Taking 6 damage here. Will become strong. The run just started. Go to Leap Synthesize. Deal 12 damage. The next power you play costs 0. Interesting. I would not hate a little bit of block gain in Leap. Do a little leap action. Give me leap. Bro is fucking wide. Also, we can choose any number of things. So what does this actually mean? So we can also rest. Interesting. So that's just going to be a lot of healing we could do. Also, new elite, the Terror Eel. Shriek. The first time Terror Eel HP reaches below 70, it becomes stunned. Alright. I'm going to be getting kind of destroyed here. However, I do just get, like, a ton of healing. So maybe we just play towards that. I'm just going to deal big damage. Oh, this guy gave himself vigor. Interesting. This guy gets stunned here. Yeah, he gets stunned. Nice. And you know what? I think I will just keep the lightning coming. Keep the zip zap. Oh, that's a lot of vulnerable. You just applied to me. Too bad you're dead. Whenever you use a potion, gain 3 strength this turn. Just this turn? Yo, the class white noise. We also got overclock. I kind of like the overclock here. I quite like overclock, just because we kind of want to play fast. I'll take an overclock. And I think I'll make my... although upgrading Sunder is really good. Yeah, I'll upgrade Sunder. And I get to rest too. Have fun. Yo, the cheese haul! Yo, give me the cheese. Because then I just get that HP back, like, very quickly. Ooh, Candelabra is very good. Could draw 3 cards. I think I'll make my zap cost 0 because we're very we're very lightning focused so far. Fucking rats, 2-tailed rats. Fucking rats, man. I like the sounds they make. Are these guys to summon something? Why is there so much space in between us? That's usually means something is about to get summoned. You know what? Screw it. Adaptive Strike. Add a 0-cost copy of this card into your discard pile. Whenever you invoke Lightning, deal 6 damage to each. Whoa. Light Thunder. Deal 6 damage to each enemy hit. Is that just, like, not insane to you? Oh, God. Calcified Cultist. These guys have seen better days. Oh, power is unmatched. Well, I'm about to murderize one of you. Is this guy only hitting me for 1? You okay there, pal? I'm not even gonna block you. I don't care. I have so much free healing in this run. Wow. Lightning Rod. Gain 4 block at the start of the next 2 turns. Channel 1 lightning. I mean, yeah, give me more lightning. I do probably want to find an alternative way of blocking. Oh, look at this guy. The Punch Construct. Oh, I would love to get that first. Play my Thunder first. Yeah, now he's zapping this motherfucker. Alright, we're taking 2 damage here, but that's fine. I mean, the Punch Construct just doesn't really stand much of a chance. Why did he get, like, turned around? Whenever you play a power, gain 1 energy. What is this? Deal 5 damage, play a random attack from your discard pile. Interesting. Or from your draw pile. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's what I just said. Very, very interesting. Alright, what do we got here? We got these guys. The Phantasmal Gardeners. Who have Skittish. The first time is hit each time they're hit each turn, they gain 6 block. Look. I don't care about damage. I just want to zap. My ass just want to zap. Boo, Lightning Rod. Oh man, that Sunder would have been really good here. How sad. Am I getting owned here? I feel like I can play really recklessly in this run because I have so much just innate healing with this miniature tent. So is this interesting? So I basically, that's how the effect stacks like that. Interesting. Where I'm not. Okay, I am taking quite a bit of damage from these guys, but you know what? I don't quite care. I do kind of wish I didn't have all these strikes and defense in my deck. The enemies drop 10 additional gold. Is it wrong to just keep clicking on lightning? Fuck it, man. I'm gonna just keep clicking on lightning. And then I'm probably gonna regret it later. 8 damage to each enemy hit. I'm kind of making my lightning rods actual block cards, but let's upgrade Thunder. And also rest here. Repair our gears. So we hit this guy, the Waterfall Giant. Aight. I will begin to generate lightning. So let's see what this is. When killed, deals 15 damage at the end of your next turn. I see. So it's like, this guy's win condition is that he's like probably not going to win the fight, but he's just going to set up to try to kill you. Interesting. I see. Oh my, wait, are you seeing that damage output? I am taking quite a bit of damage myself. This man is building up his steam eruption. Like, quite a lot. And I don't really do much damage myself. Yeah, we're gonna be taking... Okay, we need to win this fight quickly, or else we are going to die. Okay, I am... Well... try to get some block. So yeah, this guy just hits me. For 30 damage. Interesting, boss. Very, very interesting. Deal 11 damage to all enemy. Evoke all your orbs. Genetic algorithm is a rare card now. Very interesting. I kind of don't mind. In the words of Frostpine, it's never too late to click on a genetic algorithm. Alright, we're still in the hive. Also, I don't think we... Oh, a visitor! Do you commandeer? What can Tezkara do for you? It which feeds on fire. Enchantal strikes and decks with... Gain 0 cost and eternal? Oh, interesting. At the start of your turn, spend 5 gold to gain 1 energy. Wait, what the fuck? Replace the Act 2 pack with a single special map? I kind of like... I'll take Seal of Gold. That's like... This is like, whatchamacallit? Ectoplasm, but way cooler. It also just sounds significantly, like, less shit. Go here, hit up a rest site. I do want to play towards rest sites here, because rest sites are, like, kind of very strong for us. This path has 1, 2... 2 is not bad. 1, 2, 3 rest sites and an elite. I wish there was a path that had more elites, but I'll take that path. Alrighty. Bull lightning. Bull lightning. We really blocked for nothing. We're playing Ironclad right now. We block with our face. Oh yeah, I need to be playing genetic algorithm here. Cannot forget about that. Cannot forget to do that. Beam cell, scrap. Deals. Oh hey, scrape. Yeah, that card. Fortunately, it doesn't seem all that strong to us right now. The Tea Master. You stumble into a dimly lit shack and find yourself immersed in a very peaceful space containing an obsessive variety of tea. A man inside gestures to a selection of tea, each neatly labeled with a premium price. At the start of the next 5 combats, gain 2 strength. At the start of the next combat, upgrade your starting hand. At the start of the next combat, shuffle. I don't know if I like the tea very much. I guess I'll just take this. Politely decline the tea and slam! The door behind you slams shut. The tea master stares at you for a moment, then presents you up. Oh, this tea is for the Discordius. Yeah. Yo, you find a book covered in blood. Okay. On the floor lies a tome. The top 3 race to conquer the spire. The book is encrusted with blood. So you find the manuscripts highly suspicious. Choose an attack to read the book, read a random passage, read the entire book. Increase the blocks from 2 cards. Read the entire book. Enchant a power with Swift 2. Sure, I'll do that. I think I like that the most. What an engrossing read. Some choice quotes remain fresh in your mind. Avoid big monsters. Take every card. Blocking is for cowards. Yo, that's actually so this build right now. Blocking is in fact for cowards. Take damage I'm taking? Yeah, right. Okay, I might need to do a little bit of blocking. I might need to be a coward for just today. But like this. Oh my god, the lightning. Oh, the lightning. Oh man, unfortunately this guy did go underground. But we just bring him right back up. Gain 2 orb slots. I kind of don't want orb slots though. I don't really want a second copy it. Because, like, the problem with more orb slots is that, like... Well, like, it's kind of obvious, you know? Like, more orb slots means we can't, I did not play genetic algorithm in those last couple of fights. That's my bad. I'll make dual cast cost 0. Dun, 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 dun. We get the egg bitch. More orb slots means we're less likely to evoke our orbs, and evoking our orbs is our entire way of dealing damage. Now, we don't do quite as well into fights with multiple enemies. So these eggs are going to hatch. Got little dudes. Thunder me. Would love to sunder. Would love to dual cast here. I'll overclock, try to avoid damage. Okay. I think that came out just fine. We're gonna summon some duders. Easy peasy mode. I don't really want to keep clicking Tempest. Is it mere the card pools feel kind of small? Actually, if it's into my discard pile, I'll take it. You know what? I'm gonna avoid a rest site. B bitch. It's the B bitch. I'll avoid. I don't actually need to trigger B-bitches, Is that really what I'm gonna call him, by the way? B-bitch? It's the B-bitch. He's a bitch and he's a B. You know what? When you say it like that, I'm drawing so bad. I am drawing like doo-doo. Oh, I didn't play Thunder. What am I thinking? Oh, man. Oh, I'm about to get toasted here. I'm getting fucking owned in the quote retweets. Alright, fine. I'll add some daisies to my deck. Owie, man. Jesus. Alright, I'm sorry for calling you the B-bitch. Maybe if you were less of a bitch, I wouldn't have called you that. Die. The Stonecracker. At the start of boss combats, upgrade 3 random cards in your drop pile for the rest of combat. Interesting. Claw! Whoa, wait, whoa! Yo! Oh, ah! New orb! Glass! Deal damage to all enemies. Decreases every turn. Oh, man. Channel glass. Holy fuck. No, I don't remember glass being on the periodic table. Well, isn't sand on the periodic table? Isn't sand just like carbon? That's probably so wrong. Probably is so incorrect. I kind of want to, but at the same time, it's not lightning. Maybe another day. Tuning fork. Every time you play 10 skills, gain 11 block or 7 block. I wish it was 11 block. That would be really nice. I'm gonna upgrade these lightning rods because they're our only real form of block. I ain't a coward. Oh, this combat might kick us. This combat might destroy me. Fear not, I am goated. Ow. Stop it! I'm going to distill chaos here. Very well. That did seem pretty good, I think. Man, this fight does a lot of damage. I need to alarm you. Do I get this back? I do get the energy back. That would have been really bad if I didn't get the energy back, I'm pretty sure. Drawing Sunder last does kind of stink. Whenever you play a power, the classic darkness, or if you play a power, channel 1 lightning. Unfortunately, I don't really have many powers in this deck. Only have the one that's like really important for us to play. It's not lightning, I don't take. I am laser focused in what we do today. Maybe I want like a sweeping beam though. Like low key. I haven't seen a card that says focus yet. Which is curious. Deal 6 damage to all enemies. I'm wondering if a sweeping beam is actually good to take. AoE is not bad. I don't know, but it's like a card that I'm drawing that I don't want to play. That I feel... we have one card we want to play in our deck, and it's Thunder, which I finally drew early. Okay, that's the end of that turn, I guess. Do not need to boost away. I mean, then you get turns like this. Where you just get to absolutely murder the enemies. Holy, who are we fighting? Oh shit, it's the Knowledge Demon. We gotta fight the damn Knowledge Demon, man. Boot Sequence is a... Damn, they nerfed Glacier. Boot Sequence allowing us to survive longer is nice. But it's not lightning. Hey, Bugman! I'll take Exterminate here. I see you wish to learn the extermination technique. Very good. He pauses briefly, thinking how the best to... This is the technique. Behold, he boasts while holding up a can of insecticide. My goat. You know what? That's an AoE card that I'm very happy to have. Yeah. I think I just block here. Claim my damn genetic algorithm. I should probably get rid of this flex potion. I'm like holding this thing and it's very bad. Would love to sunder you. I will cool-head it first. I'll overclock here. Hit you with a lightning rod. Hit your heart with a lightning rod. Do take some damage there, but we do stun this man, so he doesn't even get a turn on us. What a fools. Hey, die. Another thunder. Yes, I will take that. Already upgraded too. Yes. Yes. I will upgrade our other lightning rod. And I will also rest. Lovely. Oh, my cards are already upgraded. Cool. Here, add a colorless card into my hand. If your hand is empty, draw... I have no attack, so I could draw 2 cards here. I'm seeing if I can draw... Damn it. Damn. You know what? I'll actually play for... Oh, Mind Rot sounds really crippling, though. Man, I'm drawing my powers too late. I think I need this potion. I'm also going to use this here. I'm drawing my damn powers way too late. Like, literally bottom decking them. Good turn for genetic algorithm, at least. Like, I drew both of them at the bottom of my deck. How is this fair? Game, explain to me how that's fair. Oh my goodness. I do deal, like, insane damage whenever I do evoke. I actually just, like, delete the enemy. Alright, well, give me another... I feel like I'm always just clicking Disintegration on this guy. Because the other options sound really crippling. Like, even more so crippling. Alright, finish you off with a Tempest. Easy modes. Coolant. At the start of your turn, gain 2 block for each unique orb you have. Prevent. We got Buffer. You know, a Buffer is probably good. Because we don't have a lot of other ways to defend. And I can definitely, like, afford to play. I definitely have the energy to play a Buffer. Ah, this guy. I really don't have many ways of drawing cards. It's only Overclock. And Cool-Headed. Remove 5 cards from your deck is also kind of crazy. Jewel the Mask is also, like, is it not even better than these other ones? Because this just gets me my... Put it at the start of the combat, I just get to play one of my powers, like, for free. Is that not just even better? That might just be even better. I don't really like going on a path with 2 shops on it. I definitely want to go to 1 shop because I have a lot of money. I guess I'll go the Giga question mark path with 1 elite on it. Sure thing. Alright, get Thunder in. Oh my god, I finally have a way to get my Thunders in my hands consistently. Like, this entire deck is based around Thunder. Ooh, I can kill that guy. Cool. Goodbye, sir. You're going to fucking die. Who's our boss? Ah, it's the test subject. Single targets are good for the... Yo, hotfix. Gain 2 focus. Yo, temporary focus. Nice. I'm not gonna take it here because it doesn't say light. Yo, another Thunder? Cool. What else do we got here? The classic white beast. White beast statue. I need to be careful not to spend too much money here. Rocket Punch. Yo, deal 13 damage, draw 1 card. When a status card is created, reduce this card cost by 0 this turn. Or 2-0 this turn. Reduce it by 0. Got the classic compile driver. The classic hologram. The classic double energy. Give me another thunder. Here comes the thunder. He's so chill. God, he's still so cute. His face... I love you, Defect. You're my favorite little bean. You're my favorite little boy. I think I'm good just... Yo, Ranwid! You approach the oldest person you have ever seen. We meet once more. It is me, Ranwid. Do you know this man? Yeah, we do. Damn, he's old. Give my amethyst. Yeah, sure. Although... Yeah, sure, take my amethyst. Yo, Shovel's kind of... Hold on. I'm gonna go on the Giga question mark path because this has... That's basically like... We'll be able to just do that for free. Thanks to our, Go! Okay, you know what? I've said I previously, like, didn't like that because it wasn't the... But that's pretty cool, too. I'm going, go! Oh! I would love to click buffer here. That is so good. Here comes the thunder. Here comes the thunder. Yeah, get fucking blocked, nerd. Another lightning rod. I don't know if having multiple copies of lightning rod has actually been that good. Yeah, I get to do everything here, which is pretty crazy. I get a free red mask. Cool, and I get to rest. I like this. Was there something really good here? Refract. Deal 9 damage. Channel 2 glass. FTL, we know that one. Ooh, bag of prep. Again, I'm kind of... What's my stone? Oh, that. I don't... Sure, you know what? Take this. I don't want the... I don't even... I'm gonna be honest, I don't even remember what I traded, but then I was like, yeah, I'll trade that. Damn. Okay, I could probably spend money here. Each combat... Wait, whenever you create a status card, channel 1 random orb. Wait, that's really cool. Transfer all status cards in your hand to fuel. That's cool. So it seems like they're giving Defect now, like, more of an emphasis on status cards, which I like. Each combat, the first time you play a card that debuffs an enemy, double its effect. Interesting. Ooh. Wait, this is very good. I can't put this on... Interesting. It's not letting me put this on... my powers. Probably because we have Jeweled Mask. Weird. Still think this is fine. I'll just put it on like a lightning rod. Alrighty. Rest. Smith. Upgrade my other thunder. And dig. Ooh, nice. Nice. I'll fight one. Let's fight an elite. Oh, fuck the axe bots. Oh no. They about to beat the shit out of me's. They about to beat the shit out of me, man. I think these guys are really fun. I think they're a very funny idea. There is a card that I've not seen yet that kind of makes me scared to not have seen it. We have not seen Defragment yet. Which is like... That card was pretty important for Defect. No way they would get rid of Defrag. No, there's literally zero possibility. I would fucking riot if they got rid of my if they got rid of the goat Defraggles. Oh my goodness. I deal 24 damage whenever I throw. We actually melt enemies. Oh wait, yeah, that guy was down. I was expecting another Axebot to come in. That Axebot did not come. Yo, Echo Form! Also, Echo Form looking cool. Yo. Hit me with Echo Form, man. Ah, we get this guy. Look at all that lightning. I will click boost away here. Oh, lightning. I mean, we're kind of just like insane off rip. Thunder. I mean, play the Echo Form. Play that shit. I will buffer here. Jenny Algs. Oh, I just gave myself so much buffer because I forgot. To be honest, I forgot I played whatchamacallit card. Oh, that guy's dealing 43 damage to me, huh? I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of just having a good time. Yo, the Intimidating Helmet, they're cool. Whenever you play a card that costs 2 or more, gain 4 block. Cool. Gain 1 orb slot, draw 1, increase this card's cost by 1. Cool. Voltatic. Channel lightning equal to the lightning already channeled. To the lightning already channeled this combat. Hold on. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hold on. Hey, Frost Relic. Yo, hold up. Is that not, like, insane? Man, I can't really get away with not giving this guy strength. Card doesn't have ethereal, right? No, it doesn't. Okay, Voltatic is, like, better for later. Honestly, I'd rather just take this damage rather than giving you, like, perma-strength. Oh, and I get my Echo Form off here for free? Oh, it's so over for you. Oh, and he's in stabby mode. So yeah, this guy, like, copies the effects of... Oh, jeez. All right, well, you gotta use up 2 buffers here, but that's fine. Tempest! Yo! Yo, we're fucking blasting him. All right, now you're Nemesis. Oh, man. Oh, man. I probably should have drank these earlier. Man, I wanted to... Channel 16 Lightning! So this is like Lightning Strike, but cooler. Yeah, I fuck with it. I like the concept. This guy's kind of hurting me. Let's chill out there. Oh my goodness. Oh, get a load of this guy, man. Okay, bring it on. Fucking owned. Holy. Yo, this Thunder card is pretty cool. Yo, I never got to play Voltaic, which is kind of sad. But yeah, Defect, Lightning, I did kind of get my wish that I said at the start of this run, or the start of this video, did come true. Lightning, building into Lightning seems like way more of a viable strat now. Cool. What are you doing here? Random garbled lines. My man can't talk. Repair you? Make me? No. Oh, Defect dying makes me sad. That shit makes me sad. Womp womp. Womp womp. Alright, let's look at this timeline now. Chapter 2, Aura. Attacked by the now Orbs, curiosity was peaked. Blight gone, Y gone, safe to enter, Orbs enters. Locked ancient, Orbs. Ah. That's like gonna be a Tales from the Spire. Interesting. You can now play your randomized challenges once a day. Cool. Again, I'm going to wait until like we get like more art. Null. Deal 10 damage. Cool. Oh man, I can't wait to Defect lore. The defect is still curious. Hello. Oh my god, I'm going to love Defect lore once it's like updated. Once they add the art again, I'm going to read through all the lore in this game. Get some Magnum Opus. Gain 7 plating. Jackpot. Deal 25 damage. Add 3 random 0-cost cards into your hand. You can now climb the spire through customizable runs and seeds. Cool. Alrighty, cool. Cool stuff. Alright, well, that's gonna do for this video on Slay the Spire 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And I'll be out there. Have a nice day.